करण सर, करण सर यहाँ पे
प्रेजेंटर
करण सर यहाँ पे
सर नाइस जैकेट हो गया। थैंक यू। यहीं पे
सर फर्स्ट भाग यहाँ पे
सर फर्स्ट भाग लेफ्ट में
सर फर्स्ट भाग
झाड़ लगाओ।
झाड़ लगाओ।
पर्वत पे झाड़
लगना पड़ता। हाँ।
वेट दादा।
दादा यहाँ पे
लगाना चाहिए। लगा वाट नहीं लगाना, वाट नहीं लगा, झाड़ लगा।
मैम यहाँ पर
लेफ्ट सेंटर
मैम लेफ्ट में लेफ्ट
मैम थोड़ा लेफ्ट में
लेफ्ट लुक मैम लेफ्ट लुक
मैम लेफ्ट 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 थैंक यू थैंक यू
इधर घुमाओ ना उसको।
लेफ्ट में सर
तो लेफ्ट।
थैंक यू आइए सर
बस 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 बस
सर यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में
लेफ्ट में लेफ्ट
लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट लेफ्ट सर लेफ्ट में
The master is here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. Of course, Arvind Swamy, and I wanted Ian Glenn to play a role, and Karan I requested, I said, I want you. So I must say that all my actors, all major actors, because there was an incident that happened because my financier pulled out of the project 1 month before the film was to go on floor. And they said, जब पैसे होंगे दे देना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? And that really is so good for a director, producer who is just trying to sort of tell a story which is very personal to me. Because this project is not that I wanted to make a film. And then of course, Mr. Thadani came in, the film is looking the way it is. And then of course, now we have Excel Entertainment, and I'm so thrilled that Farhan Akhtar and Ritesh Sidwani are part of it. And then Mr. Rasool Pukoti means the magician of sound. The difficult task was to cast Tanvi. And anyway, we have revealed that. For that, Kausar Munir has written some unbelievable songs. And one thing I must say that when we were having the New York premiere, so you asked me outside, why did you start from abroad?
Yeah, why not in India?
So I feel it's a film from India for the world. It's a universal subject, and autism, and I didn't want to show autism as a disability. I wanted to show autism as superpower. And that's what comes across. And my whole team of assistants, other my music का बारे में बता दिया मैंने. There are two girls who are doing the debut for the first time. They have sung playback singing. Kruti is here, the choreographer, the legendary. She's young legend, not legendary. अभी बुलाने में time है, but she always makes me feel that she is legendary. And Bright के हमारे दोस्त हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर. आपके बगैर तो पोस्टर ही नहीं लगते हैं. ये वाला हमने जैसे तैसे लगवा दिया. अब आप लगाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा होगा. Yeah. So that's they have sung, and we have Gemini sir. Gemini sir, where is? Oh, there is. So Gemini sir is with, and Bharat, who is fondly called Pondi because he comes from Pondicherry. So Kareem sir has given him name Pondi. So Pondi with Bharat, please come. And then one and only, the world's most favorite, my most favorite music director. He's an institution. Knowing him in the last 3 years have been one of the richest experiences of my life. Not only from the music point of view, I think he is the most unbelievable storyteller, and also has a richness of heart. He's very funny, and he is a magician of music. Mr. M.M. Keeravani sir. Thank you. We also among us also have the presence of the film has a background of army, and a friend of mine who is General Pushkar. He's here as a friend, but thank you sir. We General Sahab, we acknowledge your presence. Ashok, you're always there. Raj has sung a song. Ashok's son has sung a song. And sir, what should we do?
Go. एक
दो एक सांसों को गिनो. एक दो एक आगे मैं बढ़ूं. Here I go, go. Oh. एक दो एक सो राहें चुनूं. एक दो एक पीछे ना मुड़ूं. Here I go, go. देखो बिन मेरे बुलाए याद आना नहीं. कभी बिन मुझे बताए भूल जाना नहीं. कि चलते चल ये दिलों का वाईफाई. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
अंतरा. Is there an Antara?
आइए साथ में.
There are.
अच्छी बातें बोले सच में लगेगी. Okay, we'll begin again. Ready?
Come on.
2, 3, 4. अच्छी 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 बातें सोचो सोचो. लवली लगेगी ये दुनिया. सच्ची सच्ची बातें बोलो सच में सुनेगी दुनिया. देखो कभी जो तितली तो याद करोगी तन्वी को. चाहो तो मिल जाओ, छूओ तो उड़ जाओ. ले चले जाओ मैं तो चले दूं. कि मैं हूँ just like a little butterfly. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. So
देखी जमाने की यारी. बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी. अरे देखी जमाने की यारी. बिछड़े सभी बारी बारी. बिछड़े सभी बारी हारी, क्या लेके मिले अब दुनिया से आंसू के सिवा कुछ पास नहीं। फूल ही फूल थे दामन में या कांटों की भी आस नहीं। मतलब की दुनिया है सारी बिछ Good morning, everyone.
Us be a part of your dream. We are really grateful for all this and such talent here in this film. We are really honored to be a part of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. Ritesh has to go, and he had something important to go. But I said your support has to be. How are you? He said that I will come, and certainly thank you for your support. Thank you for Excel Entertainment's amazing support. आप भी आ जाओ अनिल, ताकि Anil hates to come on stage, but these are the, you see, to make a film like this is very difficult. But then when you get people like Anil and Ritesh and Farhan and Excel Entertainment, at least you know that after seeing the film, they have decided to take it to the world. Thank you for doing that.
Thank you, actually. We're a little late to this party,
Yeah.
but it's an amazing, amazing film. And I think, sometimes, when they say that a film comes and chooses you, I think this is exactly that kind of a film. So I'm really glad. So in whatever way we can support it and contribute, but it's a really, really an amazing, amazing film. So I'm glad you chose us to be a part of it. Thank you so much. Really.
So I think it's very important. Now you'll understand the meaning of Tanvi the Great. How he is great. Okay.
I saw Sitare Zameen Par.
Very good.
Dangal, Rang De Basanti, Sitare Zameen Par, Amir Khan's movie.
Very good.
I'm
गाना
the big
गाओ,
fan
गाना.
of-
मेरी मूवी की बात करो अभी.
Big fan. I'm the big fan of Amir Khan.
Okay.
Hrithik Roshan, both.
Thank you for.
मिस हो गई एंड दैट इज समथिंग द वर्ल्ड लुक्स अप टू दिस जेंटलमैन. एक बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं, जैसा आपने कहा आप इंटरनेशनल लेके गए. यू वर्क विद समवन हु इज रियली क्लोज टू यू, और फिर इस प्रोजेक्ट पे जब आप आते हैं तो वो कैसा रहता है, पूरा माहौल क्या होने वाला हुआ है, क्या हुआ, सब शुरू से अब तक बता दीजिए हमको.
कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ. आप सबको बहुत सारा प्रणाम, और अनुपम जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आपने मुझे इस फिल्म में कास्ट किया. पहली बार जब मुझे उन्होंने बुलाया और गाना सुनाया तो शायद वहाँ पे आंसुओं की नदियाँ बह रही थी दोनों की. पर हम लोग ज़्यादा रोते, मैं तो रोता हूँ मगर तकिए पे रोता हूँ, किसी के सामने रोता नहीं वैसे, मगर आपके सामने ज़रूर आंसू निकल गए. MM साहब, आपने बहुत खूबसूरत म्यूजिक दिया है. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on this stage with such fantastic cast and crew. And Russell, there you are. सारे ऑस्कर के सामने सब बाजू में बैठ के एक फोटो भी लिया दोनों के बीच में. ये नहीं कि मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मगर मेरा पौधा और आप दोनों का ऑस्कर बहुत भारी है. बाकी बोलने का कुछ नहीं. अनुपम जी ने बहुत प्यार से संभाला और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला भाई. कि एक्टिंग वैक्टिंग तो मैं कोई स्कूल से आया नहीं हूँ, मगर इनके साथ रहकर कई ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें, ऐसे न्यूएंसेस जो इन्होंने बताया बड़ू, मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था. कि मेरे को झाड़ के बारे में पूछेगा तो मैं बता दूंगा, और एक्टिंग के बारे में अगर सीखना है तो अनुपम जी से सीखे. वो बहुत खूबसूरत एक्टर भी है, डायरेक्टर भी है, और ही इज अ मैन हु इज एब्सोल्युटली मेड अ ब्रिलियंट फिल्म. इट्स सोल क्लेंजिंग, टोटल सोल क्लेंजिंग, एंड आई एम हैप्पी टू बी हियर. थैंक यू अनुपम जी.
थैंक यू सो मच जैकी श्रॉफ साहब के लिए. दे आर द पीपल जिन्होंने ये जो अभी हमने बड़े पर्दे पे देखा उसको आप तक पहुंचाया है. एंड नाउ या इट्स योर टर्न. सो वेयर वी गेटिंग द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम? पीछे से जी.
Hello. Hi, this is Akash Bhatnagar from Hindustan Times. Firstly, amazing trailer. Really hits you in the heart. Shubhangi, I had the privilege to ask you the first question of your first media interaction. I'm happy I'm getting that chance again. So I really wanted to ask you that this is your first film, but you are also getting to represent a community that doesn't get that much representation on screen. So along with the pressure of being it your first film, does the pressure and the responsibility of giving an authentic representation to them that people
मेरे बच्चे पहली फिल्म है बच्ची की पहली फिल्म में इसकी तारीफ करो ये ऐसे सवाल जो है मेरे से भी मत पूछो प्यार से पूछो हमें आपकी इंटेलिजेंस के बारे में थोड़ा सोचना है इस समय अच्छा सा सवाल पूछो बेटा ऐसा मत करो मुझे डराओ मत इसको ये 6 महीने से प्रैक्टिस कर रही मेरे से मैं सवाल पूछेंगे मैं कैसे जवाब दूंगी यू नो व्हाट शी यूज्ड टू डू शी यूज्ड टू मेक ऑल ऑफ अस सिट मेरा एक मॉक इंटरव्यू करो ना प्लीज और इन्होंने हरमन वेयर इज माय हरमन डिसूजा माय प्रोड्यूसर एंड माय ब्रदर दे आर ऑल प्रोड्यूसर्स हियर एंड एंडी प्लीज कम एंडी कम सो हरमन की जगह उन्होंने बोला बाकी सब तो अच्छे थे मगर मुझे हनुमान जी से बहुत डर लगता मैंने हनुमान जी कौन है हरमन को इन्होंने हनुमान बोल दिया थोड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ मेरे बच्चे मत ऐसा डरा मत
So I'll just ask you, do you consider it a privilege to get that chance to kind of represent that community?
Hi Akash and hello everybody. Thank you for coming. Yes, it's more than a privilege. I think it is. I keep telling sir and everybody that I think this is my second birth. So it's a very big chance and I'm still processing everything every day that's happening in my life regarding the movie. I'm still processing. It's more than a dream. It is now a reality, but it's a very big privilege. And I thank God, I thank my family, and I thank Anupam sir. Thank you so much for believing in me and for Actor Prepares. Yes, thank you. And Herman sir also is here. No.
Anupam sir, आपसे पूछना था that the film has got so much love internationally already. सब connect करेंगे.
Komal will agree with me that the box office has to be great. You know, no, why I went abroad and sort of brought the recognition to the film because when you make a film something like this and with the help of people like Anil और मैं जब suddenly Anil का point of view was very valid. I had made a longer film. That's why we've not decided on the OTT platform as yet. We want the audience to come on there, and that's why I think people over here will spread the word, and audience will come in. It's important, and बाहर इसीलिए करा कि ताकि वहाँ से तारीफ मिलती है तो यहाँ के लोग बड़े impress होते हैं कि अरे इनको अच्छी लगी है. But at the end of it, a film, people make choices these days to watch a film, and for a film like this, these stalwarts over here, they've done amazing work. The music is so soul-searching, so soul-stirring. It's a musical. There are 9 songs in the film, and they have given their life to this film. I'm very fortunate, and hopefully the audience will come and make it their film because it's a film about not necessarily autism. It's a film about hope. It's a film about goodness. It's a film about love. And unfortunately, or fortunately, or strangely, we learn it from an autistic person.
I think it's a complete
press, so thank you so much. I know how much this means to Anupam sir and to all of us as a team. Well, it's definitely nerve-wracking. You know, I feel like I've been working for the last 16 years, but every time you have a release of any kind, it puts you really anxious. While sir, मैं theatre से नहीं हूँ, but हाथ पाँव मेरे भी बड़े ठंडे हो जाते हैं. मैं सर को ये पकड़ के कहता हूँ, सर आपके भी हाथ ठंडे हैं. पर बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि मैं एक्चुअली जब मैं नीचे बैठा था और मैं एमएम साहब को परफॉर्म करते हुए देख रहा था और मैंने फिर पोस्टर देखा ना आई सॉ द लाइन ऑफ पीपल दैट आई वाज सिटिंग विद और वाकई मैं अपने करियर में अपने आप को बड़ा शुक्रगुजार समझता हूँ कि मुझे ऐसा एक मौका मिला जहाँ मैं एक पोस्टर शेयर कर सकता हूँ अनुपम खेर जी के साथ, बमन ईरानी के साथ, नासिर साहब के साथ, with Jackie Dada, and of course, you know, a film that has music of MM sir. So it doesn't feel that I must have done something right. I just really feel very privileged for that respect and that honor, sir. And I remember when sir called me about a year and a half ago, and he narrated the concept to me. और मेरे को पहले दिन ही सर ने म्यूजिक सुनाया था. I was really sold, and I told him, सर मैं आपके साथ बस काम करना चाहता हूँ. बाकी क्या होगा हम, you know, we'll figure that through the course of it. And today I feel very happy and very moved, quite frankly, when I saw the trailer myself. So thank you, sir. A huge round of applause, guys, for Anupam Kher. because we all know how much love he's put in this, and truly he means it when he says that this film is made with all heart and all love, because that's how he is as a man himself. So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Any kind of a biopic that we'll see you in uniform again very soon?
While yes, you know, I do play Captain Pratap Rana, Samar Pratap Rana here, and he is also in uniform from the other things that I've done. But for me, I'll be very honest, I feel the job of the character is very by the way. For me, it's always trying to find the human inside that uniform, and that's what I've done with this. As far as playing a biopic after this is concerned, well, you never know. As and when that time comes, I think, you know, I'd like to talk about that. Today is for Tanvi the Great, and I couldn't be happier to be a part of such a sensitively told narrative.
जर्नी के बारे में बताएं, because it's absolutely fantastic and fantabulous.
So because I wanted autism to be represented as a superpower, which my niece is, which Adi is, they're superpowers. I think we look at them oddly because we think that we are perfect, but they look at us oddly कि कैसे अजीब और गरीब लोग हैं. तो जब मैंने पहले अभिषेक को ऑर्डर बताया था इसके बारे में, ऊंचाई के राइटर थे मेरे साथ, तो मैंने इनको सुनाया, फिर अंकुर के साथ मैंने कागज 2 में काम किया था. We wanted to get into a situation where this autistic girl comes from an army family and discover that father did not die as a hero and decides to join army, which Indian army does not take autistic people. So it's already a difficult job. And then what happens? So I think we've had work for 1 year. आज ही अभिषेक ने मैसेज भेजा कि आज से 1.5-2 साल पहले हम पहली बार बैठे थे गोवा में. So गोवा, दिल्ली, हम सब काफी करते हैं. But we had a picnic.
Their closer relatives, they has this spectrum of autism. किरवाणी साहब, आपको मैं बधाई देना चाहती हूँ. Can you say some more details? What were the challenges to compose the music of this film? And my question to Pallavi as well, can you share some, more memories and some more facts on your visit to Cannes?
नमस्ते जी, ये कहना चाहता हूँ to bring a story about a girl who cannot manipulate in her world to this level, from story writing to this release level. It needs a lot of manipulations. That's what we did. We did a lot of manipulations, me and Anupamji. It has to be like that because it's a world of perspectives. We walked in Tanvi's shoes.
अपनी डीओपी लेना चाहता था, तो शूटिंग से 7-8 महीने पहले मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया. उन्होंने कहा मिस्टर खेर, आई एम बिजी बिकॉज आई एम इन जापान एंड आई कैन नॉट शूट. फिर मैंने कोशिश की, फिर मैंने उनको, जब शूटिंग नज़दीक आने लगी, फिर मैंने कहा यार नहीं, मैं फ़ोन करता हूँ, फिर देखता हूँ. तो 3 मिस्ड कॉल मैंने एक ही दिन में उनको दी. फिर उनका 3-4 घंटे बाद उनका फ़ोन आया. तो उन्होंने कहा कि oh Mr. Ghai, you are very persistent. बोलिए, what is the story of the film? So I said it's the story of a girl who shows autism as a superpower. She said I'm doing your film. पूरी कहानी नहीं सुनी. तो फिर वो आ गई. फिर जब हम लोकेशन हंटिंग कर रहे थे, तो एक दिन मैंने उससे पूछा कि Kiko, why did you sort of? She said, let me tell you a story. She said when you first called me up, I was 9 months pregnant, so I couldn't have done the film. When you later called me up, my son was 3 months old, and my sister said he's not looking at you while you are doing hello beta. So I had gone to the doctor, and doctor said that he has autistic spectrum. And when I came home, there were 3 missed calls from you, and you said this is the story. I thought there was hope for my son, and I'm wanting to do this.
It's a very great experience working with Akhil sir. I met him on Vijay 69. I used to work as a stuntman. I saw him a lot of time. But हमारा कभी ऐसा आपस में इतनी बातचीत नहीं हुई थी. When I was action director for Vijay 69, there was few shots which I designed for him. Then he told me he's doing a film. So I told sir, you call me anytime, I'll come to work. And जो रसूल सर ने एक बात बोली थी, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी कि मैं भी उनसे बहुत स्लम डॉग मिलियनर के बाद मिल रहा हूँ. So we worked with him so many years after him. So खेर साहब ने मुझे एक चीज अच्छा लगा था कि उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से काम करने बोला था. उन्होंने कभी मुझे ये नहीं बोला था मुझे इस फिल्म का रेफरेंस के हिसाब से काम करना है. मेरी फिल्म में मुझे ऐसा चाहिए. That makes something like a creator, as a director who believes himself, not looking to others people work and saying, even मैं इसकी जैसे बनाऊं film. Thank you.
Thank you, Jackie sir. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do a quick one with the cast. Yeah. Thank you. Anil sir. Mr. Thadani, Anupam sir would want you on stage. Bhavna ma'am, thank you so much for not thought that I will invite him, but I spoke to his wife, Tiffany, and I said, Tiffany, would you like to come? And 2 hours before the premiere of New York was to start, Tiffany called up. He says, Bob is coming with me. Bob, I know that Robert is called Bob. So I said, Mr. De Niro is coming himself. I said, oh God, sab chaos tha. And then he said he's coming only for 15 minutes. It was very strange to sit next to him. Me, Mr. De Niro, his wife, she. तो मैं देख रहा था लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं ना कि मैं इनके साथ बैठा हूँ. वो फैन मोमेंट जाता नहीं है ना कभी कभी. बिकॉज मैंने ड्रामा स्कूल में उनके ऊपर उनकी फिल्मों पे पहली 2 फिल्मों पे मैंने वो किया है, रिसर्च किया है, मेन स्ट्रीट एंड टैक्सी ड्राइवर. So he kept looking at me. He said, "Nice, your hair is very good big, etc." And then he loved the music. He said, and he stayed back till the interval, which is a big thing for me. But also when we went to Houston and other places, I think because the character is not treated like there is something wrong with her, she is treated really, because I genuinely believe people like Adi, my niece Tanvi, they are superpowers. Their ability to do certain things differently. Pallavi plays an autism expert in the film and also her mother. The film is about goodness. I genuinely had not planned Adi to come on stage. But I just suddenly thought of Sujata, and I thought, genuinely, I had not thought. Karan told me that was a good idea. I said, no, I had not, because you never know what he will say. And actually, he did not, you never know what he will say. So, but I think it gave you a glimpse of Tanvi's world. Today, unfortunately, goodness is only in people who do not understand manipulation. And that's what we need. I think we live in a world where we are constantly manipulating ourselves, other people. I think this film, with the help of Anil and Excel Entertainment and with everybody else.
लेफ्ट में
अनुपम जी अनुपम सर एक साथ में मोबाइल
सर थोड़ा लेफ्ट
सेंटर राइट
सर यहाँ पे सर लेफ्ट आपके लेफ्ट डाल दो राइट सेंटर लेफ्ट all of the center the right way center अनुपम यहाँ पे सर लेफ्ट सर ये सेंटर सर